Well, Charles Pugh did not want to pay up. The former Detroit City Council president is now fighting that $250,000 judgment from the recent sex grooming trial.
7 investigator Heather Catala joins us now with an explanation of why he doesn't want to pay.
Well, Charles Pugh is arguing to the judge that he should not have to pay that jury award because the student who sued him is already getting a settlement from Detroit Public Schools.
I am embarrassed and I am regretful for what happened.
Charles Pugh may be regretful, but he doesn't want to pay his accuser who sued him in federal court. The former Detroit student told the jury that instead of mentoring him, Pugh pursued him sexually, even paying the teen to make a sex tape. The jury decided that the ex-city council president did cause emotional distress and awarded the young man $250,000. But Pugh is pushing back, arguing that he shouldn't have to pay a dime because Detroit Public Schools already agreed to a $350,000 settlement with the student for what Pugh claims is the same injury.
Each defendant is going to be liable for his or her or its amount of the appropriate damage award that the fact finder determines.
Legal expert Tom Cranmer says the federal judge will make the call, but Pugh's argument about why he shouldn't have to pay is a long shot.
And I'm sure that the plaintiff's position is that even if we take the amount that he was able to settle for and combine it with the judgment amount against Mr. Pugh, even combined, that's not going to be sufficient. So that's going to be an issue the court's going to have to wrestle with as well.
Meanwhile, the DPS board wants the state to pick up the tab for their settlement. They say the state-appointed emergency manager was warned about Pugh being a danger to students.
I absolutely feel that a payment is warranted to the young man. I absolutely feel that that young man was damaged. We were stopped from being able to protect him, but he has been harmed.
None of the payments have been made to the plaintiff yet. The federal judge will have to decide whether Pugh's argument has any merit. Meanwhile, Detroit police are investigating new criminal sexual conduct allegations against Pugh. Carolyn?
All right, Heather, thank you much.